Ito pa rin po ay tungkol sa procurement documents. This time, pag-usapan po natin back resolution, declaring LCRB, and recommending approval. Magandang araw mga partners. So welcome muli sa ating bagong video. Ito pa rin po ay tungkol sa procurement documents. This time, pag-usapan po natin back resolution, declaring LCRB, and recommending approval. So start na po tayo. So dito po sa lists ng ating mga procurement documents, nandito po siya. So, back resolution, i-highlight po natin. Yan. Back resolution declaring LCRB and recommending approval. LCRB means lower calculated and responsive bid. So, punta na po tayo doon sa ating document, no? So ito po siya. So basahin na lang po natin, no? Name of entity. So ilalagay lang po kung anong barangay po kayo. Project reference number. Then name of project. Ilalagay lang po kung anong project po. Particular, no? Then location ng project, kung anong barangay po. Then ito nga po ang title ng ating document. Back resolution, or yung Bids in Award Committee resolution declaring LCRB, or lowest calculated and responsive bid, and recommending approval, no? So ito po ay document pa rin ng back committee, resolution po nila, gagawa po ng resolution para sa nagde-declare ng lowest calculated and responsive bid and recommending approval. So dito po resolution number, kung pang ilang resolution na po ito sa taong ginagawa po ninyo ito. So basahin po natin. Whereas barangay government of barangay, kung anong barangay po kayo, advertise the invitation to apply for eligibility and to bid of the ito po yung title ng inyong project, no? Ilalagay po eligibility to bid of the blank, kung ano po yung inyong project name, in the barangay bulletin at barangay hall, or kung saan man po ninyo pinost yung ginawa po nating invitation to apply for eligibility to bid, diba? Kung maalala po ninyo sa mga previous video po natin. And kung saan mga building na kung saan nyo po pinost continuously for 7 days na nakapost ang ating invitation to apply for eligibility and to bid, no? So whereas in response to the said advertisement of, ito po ulit yung pangalan ng project, no? Project name, submitted a letter of intent and application for eligibility, but only one supplier were found eligible on August, or yung date po kung kailan po kayo nagkaroon ng opening ng bids, no? Ito po 'yon, no? Kung kailan po naganap yung opening ng bids. So dito po nilalagay ninyo na kung ano po yung pinaka-result, no? Dito sa resolution na to, kung ano yung nag-transpire doon sa opening of the bids, no? And out of this number of eligible bidders, usually pinakamababang bidder dito ay 3, no? So 3 bidders or 3 purchase bid documents. Okay? So whereas 3 were submitted on, nag-submit on kung anong date, ilagay niyo po kung kailan po sila nag-submit, but only 1 bid of the following bidders passed the preliminary examination of bids. Okay? Then, whereas bid proposal of the following bidder found to be substantially complying. So, ito na po yung pinaka napili or nakapasa na bidder para po ma-award sa kanya ang project na to. So, nakalagay po rito, bids, name of bidder, bid amount as read. So, then yung variance. So, ito po yung percentage of variance. Ito po yung variance nung actual budget at kung magkano po yung naging bid ng bidder. So, kung magkano yung diferensya, yung difference po nun. Dito po natin malalaman kung ilang percent. So, in this example, since yung budget po ng sa procurement na to ay same doon sa bid ng bidder, so 0% po siya. Wala po siyang difference. So, ganun po yung computation po nito. Then, whereas the detailed evaluation of bids conducted on August 5 or yung date po kung kailan po kayo nag-conduct ng inyong bid, no? Resulted in the following. So, name of bidder, yun pa rin po yung lowest. Bid as calculated. So, same, ang variance po ay 0. Whereas upon the post-qualification of careful examination, validation and verification of all eligible technical and financial requirements submitted by the bidders with lowest calculated bids, lowest bidder. Their bids has been found to be responsive. Now therefore, the members of the Bids and Award Committee hereby resolve as it hereby resolved to recommend for approval for the heads of the procuring entity of the barangay government of kung anong barangay po kayo, then address, kung anong municipality, their foregoing findings. Resolve at barangay hall o barangay, kung anong barangay po, then municipality or city. This, kung anong date po. Then, name and signature ng back chairman, vice chairman, members, TWG, back secretary, then approved by the punong barangay, the requesting department head entity. Okay? So, ito po ang isa sa ating mga document para po sa ating procurement back resolution declaring LCRB and recommending approval. So, sana po mag-guide po kayo or matulungan po kayo ng ating video na to. So, partners, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much and God bless.